Hello and welcome back to Sketch Capital. What if I told you that skipping just one coffee a week, just $12, could eventually pay you over $4,000 every single month? You might think I'm crazy, but the math doesn't lie. Today, we're breaking down a dividend strategy that turns small, consistent habits into life-changing passive income. Most people spend $12 on things they forget by tomorrow. What if that same $12 built you a $500,000 portfolio? It's not magic, it's compounding. Let's map out how to build your own dividend machine, step by step, right now. But before we dive into the math, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps us bring more financial clarity to the community. To build a skyscraper, you need a rock-solid foundation. In the world of wealth, that foundation is built on dividends and compounding. Think of dividends as a slice of company profits paid directly to you just for owning a small piece of that business. It's the ultimate reward for ownership. When you reinvest those payments, you aren't just earning, you're building a snowball. This is where the real magic happens over decades. This process is called DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. Instead of taking the cash today, you use it to buy more shares, which pay more dividends. It creates a feedback loop. Your money starts working for you, and then the money that money made starts working too. It's an engine that never stops. Look at the difference. Taking the cash keeps you flat, but reinvesting creates an explosion of wealth that most people can't even imagine. This gap is where your financial freedom lives. It's the result of patience and the relentless power of compounding. But wait, before you go hunting for the highest yields you can find, we need to talk about the traps. Many investors lose everything here. Don't get dazzled by 10% yields. They're often red flags. High yield often means high risk, and a dividend cut can ruin your strategy overnight. You must check the payout ratio. If a company is paying out more than they earn, the dividend isn't sustainable. They're eating their own tail. And don't forget the taxes. If you hold these in a standard account, the government takes a bite every time you're paid. We need to keep it simple. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA. This keeps your dividend snowball growing inside a money shield where the taxman can't touch it. Keeping more of what you earn is just as important as the earnings themselves. It's the secret weapon of the savvy investor. Now let's build the actual machine. We aren't picking one winner. We're building a balanced ecosystem of 5 powerhouse assets. First, SCHD. This is our foundation. It's an ETF that holds a diversified mix of quality companies with a history of increasing their payouts. It gives us instant diversification. If one company fails, the other 99 are there to keep the income flowing. It's our reliable money machine. Next, NetEase. This is our growth engine. Based in the tech sector, it has incredible potential for high capital gains alongside a growing dividend. We need some growth to ensure the portfolio value keeps up with or beats the market. NetEase provides that explosive turbo cash potential. Then we have Morgan Stanley. This represents our strength. In the financial world, reliability is king, and MS is a titan of the industry. They have a long history of rewarding shareholders through every market cycle. They are the brains of our financial operation. Fourth is CubeSmart. This is our stability. They own self-storage facilities, an essential service that people need regardless of the economy. It's steady income from physical assets. We call this internet rent for the real world, reliable, predictable, and recession-resistant. Finally, Illinois Toolworks. This is the ultimate compounding king. They make everything from dishwashers to construction tools. They have increased their dividend for over 50 consecutive years. They are a true dividend aristocrat, the muscles of our portfolio. You see, we aren't just picking stocks, we're building a balanced ecosystem where each part supports the whole. Growth, strength, and stability. Now, let's look at the numbers, because at Sketch Capital, we know that the math is what ultimately sets you free. Across these 5, your portfolio starts with an average yield of 3.17%, but that's just the starting line. The real story is the 16% annual dividend growth. This means your raises are built in, growing faster than inflation every single year. And we can't forget the 12% capital appreciation. Your shares aren't just paying you, they are becoming more valuable over time. This is how a small seed becomes a forest. It starts with just $12 a week, a small sacrifice for a massive future. Most people quit in the first few years because they don't see the forest, but the patient investor knows the tree is growing underground. Let's fast forward 30 years. You've consistently invested your $12 every single week, total of less than $20,000. But because of compounding and growth, your portfolio is now worth nearly $600,000. That's a staggering return on your effort. And the best part? That portfolio is now generating over $4,300 every single month in passive income. That's money that hits your account while you sleep, while you travel, or while you spend time with your family. That is true freedom. It didn't require a six-figure salary. It didn't require luck. It just required $12 a week and the patience to let the machine work. The math is simple, but the discipline is hard. Are you willing to trade a coffee today for a castle tomorrow? The math doesn't lie. Let's recap. We started with SCHD for our foundation and NetEase for our growth. These two ensure we have both stability and upward momentum. Then we added Morgan Stanley for financial strength and CubeSmart for recession-resistant stability. This is our money shield against market volatility. And finally, Illinois Toolworks, the engine that has been raising payouts for half a century. Together, they form the fortress. So how do you start? You don't need a lot of money, but you do need a plan. Open that account, set up your auto invest, and forget about it. Don't worry about the market noise. Focus on your weekly contribution. Consistency is far more powerful than intensity when it comes to wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Every $12 you invest today is a brick in your future home. Keep laying those bricks. Imagine your future self thanking you 30 years from now. That version of you is counting on the decisions you make today. You have the map, you have the tools. All that's left is for you to take that first step. I know you can do it because the plan is simple. Start today. Even if it's just $5, just start. The momentum you build now will carry you through the decades. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more deep dives into the math that changes lives. Want the exact step-by-step breakdown to reach $3,300 a month even faster? We have a special guide for our community. Just comment GOAL below and I'll send you the full breakdown and the stock list we discussed today. Let's reach that target together. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't let another year slip by. Stick to the plan, trust the compounding, and never forget the math doesn't lie. It's your most reliable partner in this journey. Thank you for joining us today. We are here to help you navigate the complex world of finance with simple, data-driven analysis. Thank you for your time. I hope this was valuable for you, and see you in the next video.